We're out here working in Beach, North Dakota, 220,000 square yards of concrete pavement putting down here. It's real exciting to see, you know, hundreds of trucks come through each day, putting down the production that we're putting down. Pretty important and pretty cool process to be a part of. The guys behind me here are making it happen though. I'm not the only piece out here. Takes a lot of hands, a lot of families. It's 8.5-inch pavement, about 12 miles long. Smoothness is a big factor, being that it's an interstate project out here. We pretty much set everything on GPS, and then once we get it all dialed in, we run a Trimble system on it with lasers and all that, and we get it into some pretty tight tolerances, and it's almost better than string line that you see back in the day. We can send that data information to Jerome in the office, so he is working with our guys out here.
I build the model in the office, and then a survey crew comes out and puts in control information for us for elevation for the project. I then go out and I calibrate the job by using GPS, using those points that they give us, and then I put that information back into the computer, send that information to all of the machines.
There's a lot of people, a lot of pieces to this puzzle. Everyone has just as important fact as everyone in this job. I'm proud to be a part of what we're doing out here, and especially making a name for us out here in North Dakota. It's a big step for us in the Road and Stone division.